We are slowly building our knowledge in SQL. Let us now discuss arithmetic and aggregate functions available in SQL.
Let us start with minimum function. Minimum value of price from sales table can be achieved by typing the statement. Select min of price column from the table. We can confirm if this value is available in the table. This record is of the customer Alice Johnson. Now let us find the minimum of each customers in the sales table. For this, we're going to use Aggregate. Let us add customer column before the minimum function, and also add group by and order by to the Aggregate query. Minimum price ordered for each customer is shown as result of this query. Maximum will be of opposite to minimum. Let us copy the previous query and modify for maximum. Maximum value of price from sales table can be achieved by typing the statement, select max of price column from the table. $19.99 is the maximum amount present in sales table. This records belong to customer Bob Brown. For finding the maximum price of each customers in the sales table, copy the query and change to maximum. Let us move to counts. We can find count by typing count star. The total count of the table is 1,000. We can also find count of any column. To find distinct count of customer, we can change the query as shown in the screen. Total sales of the table in this case can be achieved using some operator. Total sales is as shown. If we want to find sales of each month, first find each year and month from order date column. For aggregate function, we need to use group by. The output is shown as year and month number. Average sales of the table in this case can be achieved using average operator. Average sales is as shown. If we want to find average sales of each month, let us copy the previous code and change sum to average operator. The output is shown as year and month number. We can limit decimal places using round. Round comma to limit 2 decimal places after the dot. Now let us move to addition. I am going to add price column with 100. $100 added for every row. Now let us add 2 columns. For that, let us select 2 numeric columns from our table, which is price and ID. Results showing values of price and ID added into a new column. Subtract is the same. Let us subtract 500 from price. The result is as shown. Same for subtraction between 2 columns. Division follows the same. Let us divide 2 from price. The result is as shown. Same for division between 2 columns. Multiplication is the same. Let us multiply 100 with price. Modulus is the remainder we get while we divide 2 numbers. Modulus is not possible with float. Let us check our column data type. Data type is float. So let us convert the float data type to integer using cast. Error is gone and the result is shown in the result pane.
We will dig deeper with complex SQL tasks in future. For now, let us understand these basic arithmetic and aggregate functions. I will be back more with SQL. Thank you for watching.